Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade characters in Brawl Stars. Upgrading your brawlers is essential for success in Brawl Stars. In order to do so, open up the Brawl Stars application and from the home page after logging in, tap on the Brawlers icon located on the left hand side of the main menu. Now on this screen, all of your unlocked brawlers and their current power levels will be displayed. Choose the brawler you wish to upgrade and then on the right hand side of the screen, you will see an upgrade button. Each brawler can be upgraded to a maximum of power level 11. If you want to upgrade the brawler, you must have the desired in-game currency. If you've got enough, click on the upgrade button and click on upgrade once again, and then you will be able to upgrade the chosen brawler. As you level up, you'll unlock power level 7, which unlocks gadgets, power level 9 that unlocks star powers, and power level 10 unlocks gears. These enhancements are crucial for maximizing your brawler's potential. So that's how you can effectively upgrade your brawler in just a few simple steps in Brawl Stars game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.